The food ordering module is made up of 3 separate tabs that will all be required for your module to function fully. The menu tab is where your users will view the menu items and add them to their cart, which is where they will check out. The account tab is still required for users to provide their information for them to be able to order, though this will not have anything in the backend that you as the app admin will need to set up. You will simply need to add this to the app along with the other features. To add items to your menu, fill out the fields shown on this section. To add a category or a subcategory, you can click the green plus or select from existing subcategories and categories from the drop-downs. Your name, price, and description will all be required, but images and options are not. To add your option, click the button here and you can select different option styles as well as pricing, selection limits, and how much individual options would cost if you choose the per choice section. Once you are happy with the menu, you can save at the bottom and that will then create that full menu available for users to browse. If you would like to use our Import CSV option for larger menus, this can help save time in the long run. Use our Import CSV option in the top right corner up here, and you can click our example CSV link to download our example. Please note that any CSV you upload must be in the exact format of the example provided, with the exact same columns, even if the column is not being used, such as location and options. Your cart tab is where you will find the backend information for your business. The order fulfillment section is where you'll provide information such as whether you allow collection, delivery, or table service, and what settings should be applied for those services, such as collection time, delivery time, and any costs provided as well. This is also where you will find the area editor for deliveries, though if you do have multiple locations with different delivery areas, that is applied in the additional locations section later. The payments area is where you can choose your credit card payment gateway or whether or not to accept PayPal, as well as cash on delivery, pay by phone to allow you to call up users to take payment over the phone, and the tip option. The accept and reject feature allows you to choose to not automatically accept orders, but instead view them first before accepting to take payment or rejecting to return the funds without them being taken fully. The additional locations feature mentioned earlier is for if you have multiple locations of your business that have slightly different receive emails as well as possibly different menus and delivery areas. To set this feature up, simply add your location names in, provide any email addresses required, as well as the printer email if linked, and make sure to click the Add button so that this gets added for you. You can add the delivery areas in later if applicable, though please note that the top field here is specifically just for adding new fields. You will need to click that button to then add it to the actual applicable list.